out here trying to wash my vehicles because that's what I do most of the time when I clean my own shit. And realize when I look in my bucket of cleaners that I'm out of washing gel for my vehicles. So I have to improvise because the job still got to be done. And I'm too lazy to drive uptown to get a bottle of washing gel. So you know what I'm using? Right here. It's just enough. I don't know if you can see it or not because I can't see it. It's just enough to wash 2, maybe 3 cars. Well, maybe 2. At least 2. So I'm going to use some Dawn. Dawn detergent. Cleans up to 2 times as much. So I'm going to see if it's going to clean my big truck, a mid-sized truck, the big bird. So, hey, hopefully when y'all see me in a couple of hours, my stuff won't look so dusty because today is Friday. It's a good day. I feel good, finally. So I'm out here doing some stuff. All right then.